Hey YouTube, what's up? So today I want to give a shout out to Urban Drones. Please check out their channel. As you can see, they have help and tutorial videos on youtube.com//urban drones. What they're big into are their Swellpros. They were Swellpro's Kickstarter, from what I understand. There's all their info. Really good people. And I'm gonna tell you why. So I've been working on something, you guys know, and I was unable to get these through who I was dealing with. So I found the legit Swellpro people. Definitely, if you're into Swellpro or you're in, like what I'm doing so far, and you want to get a part of that, this is who I would reach out to buy the parts. So here's what they did for me. Check out these screws. They're proprietary. Okay. Kind of does this. One goes through the bottom, one comes through the top, and that's what you're looking at right there. So definitely I needed these bolts. Urban Drones sent these to me with just paying shipping. I had to pay nothing else for these bolts, and it is going to be for this guy. I needed the arm bolts to do the waterproofing on it, so we went ahead and got the bolts. Thank you again, Urban Drones. Really appreciate you. You guys are awesome. Anything I need moving forward in the future for Swellpro, you got my business. Thank you again so much. And this will, he knows what I'm talking about. You only one had these bolts, huh? In the US? Yeah. Another bullshit story that you handed me. Thank you, Urban Drones. Good to see somebody that is out actually out to help Swellpro and not just use FPV people in the hobby to get things. So what I did was I took my mind and put it together and threw inside of this. I do FPV drones, as you guys can see. Avid pilot, to you guys that don't know me. Swellpro, I just thought it would be cool to go ahead and grab one of your shells and throw some FPV stuff inside of it, and use my motors, my flight controller, and the things that I use to build my quad. So I can't wait to get this thing up and running. I flew it a couple of times and line of sight, so now we'll go ahead and get the arms in there, or screws in the arms, I'm sorry, and we'll go ahead and get this thing in some water. So thank you again, Urban Drones. Save the day. Thank you so much. You got my business, believe me. Anyone I know that's looking, I'm gonna check your company out. Whatever you guys have to deal with, I'm gonna send them your way. Guys, check them out, Urban Drones. It's good to see someone that's in the hobby, not just to take advantage of people. I really enjoy that. Thank you so much, and thank you again for the frickin' bolts that you had sent me. Really needed them. Guys, MD95TSI signing out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and go over and check them out. Let them know how much they helped OMD out. I appreciate you guys. Have yourself a good one. Catch you on the next one.